Hello guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy. I don't know if this was one of the mystery packages that showed up, or if this was an add-ons or what. I don't even remember seeing the stuff in here before, other than like one palette. The one palette I only remember because I remember being disappointed that one of the colors was crushed. So, other than that, I have zero recollection of ever seeing these before. So that's why I think maybe it was one of the mystery packages that kind of just appeared one day, but I really don't know for sure, to be totally honest with you. So I will show you what all's in here. So first things first, we have a thing of Farrah brushes. Are they listed what they are? Let's look. And they're kind of bigger ones too. This one is a cheeky end brush. This one is a stippling brush, and this one is a straight brush. Gonna be honest, not really sure what they're for, but that's okay. Ooh, in the light, apparently the tips are, it's not picking up on camera, but in real life, the tips of them are kind of like really, really deep, like midnight blue. It's actually pretty trippy. Didn't even realize there was a hint of blue to these till just now. I was like, ooh, cool. So I just thought they were black, but apparently there's a little hint of blue there. So that's fun. So there's those. There is this, is it Oribe or Oribe? Or Oribe, I don't know. Dry texturizing spray. And just like a little sample size, so that's cool. We've also got, by however you pronounce this brand, Oe, I think it's Oe, leave-in conditioners, that's cool. We have another Afra highlighter in Glow Goals. Let's take it out and look at it. Okay, so that's really pretty actually. It looks very similar to, honestly, most of the Afra or Ofra highlighters I have, but that is okay because I adore them. Therefore, you know it'll be used. I am more than happy to take it. So there's that. We've got a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in Sweet Sakura, which I want to say I have from another box too. I'm not positive. Let's look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But I like it anyway. I like the slight shimmer in there. It's very pretty. Why did I smell it to see if there's a scent? Although there totally is a little bit of one, which is weird. Wasn't expecting that, but that's cool. So we've got that. This I'm really happy about. We've got the full size of that. Benefit Cosmetics, They're Real Beyond Mascara, which I have the little sample size. It's actually what I wear to work almost every day. So I'm like, ooh, I didn't realize I have the full size. That makes me really happy. We have a sample of Juliet Has a Gun in Not a Perfume, even though it's literally a perfume. Let's see here. Description. Created and designed by Romano Ricci, great-grandson of Nina Ricci, Not a Perfume is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cetalox, it has no top or heart notes, so while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there is a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. Okay. Interesting. Alright, let's see here. We've got, by IBY Beauty, the Sunday Brunch Palette, which is really pretty. Let's see here. Nothing bookends. Hold on. Had to wipe my nose. It's really gross. Nothing bookends a perfect weekend like a Sunday brunch with your closest friends. Indulge in bottomless mimosas and catch up with your girls while rocking playful but chic daytime glam. Each wearable shade in this collection, from cinnamon roll to double espresso, will elevate your look, whether you plan to just grab a quick bite or party on the patio all day long. So the color names are Rosé All Day, Girls Day Out, Bottomless Mimosa, Short Stack, Jam Packed, Double Espresso, Iced Matcha, FOMO, Dessert First, Cinnamon Roll, Avocado Toast, and Sunday Fun Day. So these should be fun. Let's see, where's my scissors? Scissors. Scissors. Okay, let's get through there. Put the tape on it. Alright. I'll block the mirror on that so we don't blind you. And here we go. Look at those. Those are pretty. I especially like that bottom row, not gonna lie. I'm like all about that bottom row. So, okay. I did notice, not on this palette, but I did notice yesterday while going through my eyeshadow collection, there seems to be like a lack of good frosty metallic blues currently in just like the current ecosystem landscape of eyeshadows, and I'm not quite sure why. So, I'm on the hunt for a good one of those, but I've noticed I have like virtually none of that in my collection at the moment, which is hella weird, because I would totally assume that I would. Apparently I really don't. Hella weird. Anyway, so we also have, and this is the last thing in this box, by IBY Beauty, the Wonderland Eyeshadow Palette. Find magic in every little moment with this palette packed with out-of-this-world, Wonderland-inspired eyeshadow shades. Whether you're glamming it up for a night on the town, or it's just another mellow Monday, these whimsical hues are sure to cast a spell, no magic wand required. The color names are Clairvoyant, Black Magic, Ethereal, Into the Woods, Mirror Mirror, Wizard, Daydream, Truth Serum, Fantasy, Strange World, Wish, Whimsy, Broomstick, Illusion. Hold on, I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay. Broomstick, Illusion, Elemental, Gilded, Witchcraft, Enchanted, All That Glitters, and Make-Believe. So this is the one that I know has a crushed color in it, so I'm going to be really careful when I hold it up. Because it's like the bottom right one. So again, I will block the mirror so I don't blind you off of the reflection of the light. Okay. Here we go. So it's that guy down there that's the crushed one, which is really disappointing because according to the back, that's like a really pretty color, but you'd hardly know it since it's smashed to shit. But this is a really nice palette, and oh, look at that! Look at that! I was just saying how I have a lack of nice frosty blues, and wish granted, it's right there. So I retract my statement. Apparently I do have one, and it's in here, so yay. Anyways, that is it for this. Like I said, I don't know if it was an add-on haul or a mystery box or what exactly it was, but I am very happy and grateful to have everything in here. They will all most definitely get used. And yeah, so that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my, I was almost gonna say Etsy, then I'm like, wait, no, not the Etsy. Everything and more, it's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.